Hello, welcome to the GPS tabs overview and how to locate your students. How to locate your students. You'll log into GPS and on the top left-hand corner, click on the hamburger, the 3 lines next to GPS. When the tab opens up, you'll be able to select the arrow next to your name and update your profile. You could select home. This is your default page and one of the ways to see your appointments. Appointments. This is where you set up your office hours and allow students to schedule appointments. Your students. This is where you'll see your classes and the students tied to them. Services, where you will see some of the many services that students have access to across campus.